What rejected you was not meant to keep you, my beloved. Come closer, you don't need to be strong here. I see the part of you that still hurts, not the obvious pain, the quiet one, the one you learned to hide, the one that aches when you remember being left out, overlooked, pushed aside, or replaced. I saw it when it happened. I saw the moment your heart dropped. I saw how you tried to understand what went wrong. I saw you search yourself, wondering what you lacked, what you should have been, what you needed to change, and I want you to hear me now, gently, clearly. You were not rejected because you were unworthy. That rejection touched you, but it did not define you. It wounded you, but it did not name you. It shook you, but it did not remove you from my care, my child. Rejection hurts because you have a tender heart, because you love deeply, because you hope sincerely. That is not weakness, that is beauty. I know rejection made you feel small. I know it made you doubt your voice, your value, your place. I know it made you pull back parts of yourself just to avoid being hurt again. I know you told yourself, maybe I was too much. Or maybe I wasn't enough. But look at me, you were never too much, you were never lacking, you were simply in a place that could not hold what I placed inside you. Some hearts were not deep enough for your depth. Some spaces were not wide enough for your calling. Some hands could not carry the gift you are, so I let them let go, not to harm you, but to save you from staying where you would slowly disappear. I know it didn't feel like protection at the time. It felt like loss. It felt like abandonment. It felt like you were unwanted. But I was closer to you in that moment than you realized. When they walked away, I stayed. When they stopped choosing you, I held you. When your heart felt exposed and unsure, I covered you, my beloved. I never rejected you. I never turned my face away. I never withdrew my love. I never questioned your worth. Rejection did not push you away from me. It pulled you closer into my care. I know the wound still flinches. I know trust feels risky now. I know part of you braces for the next disappointment. But let me tend to this wound. Lay it down. You don't need to replay the moment anymore. You don't need to keep asking why. You don't need to punish yourself with self-doubt. Let my presence soak into the hurt. I am healing your sense of belonging. I am restoring your confidence to stand again. I am teaching your heart that it is safe to hope. Hear this blessing slowly. I bless you with the assurance that you are chosen. I bless you with peace where rejection once echoed. I bless you with relationships that see you and stay. I bless you with a future where you are celebrated, not tolerated. You will not always feel this ache. This wound will not always be tender. This memory will not always sting. There is a day coming when you will look back and realize, what rejected you did not ruin you. It redirected you. You are not behind. You are not forgotten. You are not unwanted. You are held. You are seen. You are deeply loved. Stay here with me for a moment. Breathe. Let your shoulders rest. Let your heart soften. I am with you now, and I will not leave. If this word has touched the quiet places of your heart, do not rush away. Like this video as a gentle acknowledgement of my presence. Share it with someone who feels lonely today, and subscribe to Revelation Media, where I speak comfort, belonging, and love to my children, my beloved child.